Guys, so today we are hella early in the morning. I do even have work after this, but I thought it was a great opportunity. Today I'm going to take my car to SANTAPOD. Never done something like this before. I'm not a professional driver. I've had drifting experiences and I've had track experiences, but drag stuff and quarter mile or whatever, never done it. So we're gonna go link up with a Bath Hearts. I know I ain't got in a Bath, but that's who we're gonna go link up with. And I'll see you guys when we get there. So enjoy the video. Didn't really say any of the any of the specs about my car. To be fair, there is no specs. It's basically completely stock, but the little things, like I have Pirelli P0 Neros on right now. Those actually came with the car. And it did rain last night, so the roads are a tiny bit greasy, so I am worried about traction today. Don't even know if I should. I guess I shouldn't keep traction on, but depending on how the launch will go, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, the convoy was mad. Yeah, as you can see, like it's just a Bath galore really. I'm so out of place. But also, yeah, stock. All you Type R guys, you know about it. Completely stock car. No mapping, anything, not yet anyway at least. So oh yeah, I'm also running lowering springs. I've got to mention that. Running lowering springs right now, so yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, gonna go register, so let's see how that goes. Oh, it's a new experience. Bloody new experience. Fam, we're doing it. I'm shaking, fam. I've never done this before, so hold on, let me get the navigation off. Yeah, I mean, we're just waiting, I guess. I thought I was racing an ST, but I'm actually just racing a regular Ford Focus. It's just a bike. Alright, we're here. We're here, really? Oh, wrong. We'll see what happens. Hey! yeah, window down, yeah. Can I do a burnout? Pardon? Can I do a burnout to get the tyres on?
Yeah, you can do a burnout.
What, here now?
When they call you forward.
Ah, okay. I've never launched this before, so I've never. Oh god, it's kind of slippery. Can I do a burnout? Can I do a burnout? Can I do a burnout?
Yeah, back there you can.
Ah, okay.
Right.
Alright.
Back in that box, conflict box.
Will I ride? Nah, That's right. Forget about it. It's alright. We'll sort it out.
Just do the window for us, pal.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so that was a sick run, fam. I can't actually blow, so I'm excited to see what I got. Oh god, I'm in the wrong bits. That was sick. That was actually sick. Like I'm having a very enjoyable time experience right now. So yeah guys, when I get the piece of paper to get the time, I'll let you guys know. Woo! Yeah, he's flying. Bye. Bye. You got smoked. 60, you got smoked. That Tesla's flying. No noise. Alright, second run. First run was a little bit like I had loads of wheel spin at the beginning, so it wasn't the best of launches, but your boy got the W, so I still don't know how to find out the time, and we'll get this running. Traction off. Traction's already off. My legs are shaking. Like, I don't think you guys realize that doing this sort of stuff, like, it's actually proper nerve-wracking. Like, you want to get your reactions right, so right, and yeah, you just want to get everything perfect. So this is proper nerve-wracking. Proper nerve-wracking. Breathe. Get a little burnout in. Boys and girls, that was rapid. That was rapid. Completely blew out the guy in the Mini. Bloody hell. This car is amazing, guys. Like, we'll find out what my my 0 to 60 times would be when we stop off. Trying to figure that out, but that I had a lot better grip. The tires were warm, so it was a lot easier to grip up, and yeah, that wheel spin that launch was amazing. That's probably the best launch I'll probably get today. I'm gonna keep that as it. That's it today. That's all I'm gonna do. 2 runs. I'm definitely thinking the second one's a lot better. But not too bad for an old Honda. Not too bad at all. Like, I'm so amazed at this car. Like, it's no joke. It don't take no joke. So yeah, I'm gassed. I'm very gassed. Right guys, I'm absolutely freezing my nuts off. That's why I got this hood on, and I was filming outside doing some B-roll. So got the stats here. My car was N9, so just looking for it. God, I'm still trying to figure this out. The run that this page that I'm seeing now got was so yeah, so I got 14.2 seconds in the quarter mile at 97 miles an hour, or 97.5 miles an hour. What is that? Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Obviously I'm trying to find that recent run, because that had a way better launch on it, and the tires were so much stickier. It's now raining, so I'm not really gonna do any runs, to be honest. Had my fun. Just gonna get my car warm up. I had my fun, but yeah, from now on, I think that's it, guys. I will see you next week for the next video. Anyway, fun seeing you all. Hope you enjoy your day. Bye.